Hi guys, so this is the John and Zeo. So Zeo's face is so funny and John's face is so... Zooey, come here. Come here. I think she wants leaf. Guys, how do we get leaves? Oh there, come follow me. There leaf? Oh yeah, there's some leaves. Do you guys see about she eats this? She eats this? You don't know? Let's say. Hey, John? Oh no, John has a very fever. No. Zooey's running when I say, Zooey, take the flowers. You're like Campbell. Let's hide. Guys, do you guys see he's eating about? Is he eating? He's trying? Oh, come on, he's not eating. Come on, dude. You can come. You have to come with me.
എസിയാ ബാ നടക്ക് ഒരകത്തുണ്ടായിരുന്നതല്ലേ
ആ ഇപ്പൊ കാണിക്ക് അമ്മ ഓടിച്ചു ആ
ഓർച്ചോറ്
ആ ചെയ് അത് Okay, so they come out. I live in